She's deciding if she can get away with that last brownie or not.
Go for it.
LeGrand. No, LeGrand, leave it there. Put it on the plate.
Do it. Do it. Put it. That? Yeah.
Ah,
Let her decide. She's asking Grandpa.
Very good.
Okay.
try it out. Take a little bite out of it. Stick your finger down in the middle of it. Just go. You know.
Go.
You guys, just see what she does. LeGrand, just see what she does. Don't tell her what to do. Just, LeGrand, back up. Just see what she does.
You know, you taste it. Don't get it.
Pretty good, huh? You like it? She thought when I talked to her I was rejecting her.
LeGrand, I want you to leave your hands off the plate.
Burnt.
You guys can watch, but don't disturb her. See how long it takes her to get that. LeGrand.
Got milk.
You like a little sip of milk with it too. Good.
Hope that's a little.
Milk really
It is.
makes it work good.
Yeah. There's some right there. Go for it.
I wonder if I wasn't here if she would be more aggressive.
Okay, stop looking at her and see what happens.
Don't eat the burnt.
Nobody look at her. Is it right there?
Yeah.
I would like a drink. Hi, Kendrick. Did you eat dinner yet?
We're eating some cake.
Here's your
Without
chicken
cake.
leg, Kendrick.
Ah! Can you put that back up? Because I'm losing my picture.
Where's it
At
supposed to
least
fit?
On that chair.
now's your chance. Go eat it.
Nobody
Yeah,
look.
yeah,
You guys,
pick it up.
LeGrand, don't look at her. Just pretend like you're eating. Kendrick! Kendrick, put it back. We're doing an experiment. No, there's more in the
We got a
pan.
project here.
There's
Where?
more. Don't worry about it.
Where? Where's
Eat your
more?
chicken,
Yeah.
It's on
Kendrick.
the counter. Eat your dinner first.
Kendrick, eat your chicken first.
Take a picture of that.
The counter's
Then
not
we're
the
not-
stove. There's some waiting for you, but you gotta
Nobody
eat your
look.
chicken first.
Nobody looked, did they?
Got that one, didn't we? Huh?
Did you get her, Grandpa?
I sure
She
did.
finally reached out.
Hey, this is not.
Tell that to your grandchildren, Annalise.
Annalise.
Yeah.
Eat the bread instead,
She's a little Earth Land Rover. Come from another planet.
You guys, don't throw food at her. Kendrick, no.
You want food?
LeGrand, stop it.
Turn it. Ow.
What do you say?
Ow.
What do you say?
I already said it.
No, say it.
I did. Ow, ow, let go.
You say excuse me.
Why'd you put it in your milk?
Say excuse me.
Excuse you. No, to turn it again.
Put some in there.
Hey, there's a car in here. Excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh, she dumped it in the milk.
The brownie's in there?
Yeah.
I think she drank all of it.
No, she didn't.
Oh, no, she didn't.
Gonna get soupy now.
Oh no.
Oh, that'll be good. Yeah, that'll be good. Make it soggy goes down better. Go for it, kid.
Kendrick, you have to finish your dinner first.
So that's pretty good, Grandma. I sure like this.
It's a supper, isn't it? A dunker.
She wants to go home with Grandma and eat brownies every night.
Yeah. That would be fun. So we'll have to do the brownie paper again, Grandpa, sometime. Do
Yeah.
one better.
Is there more milk in that cup?
Yeah. Take a swig. Go ahead. Take a
She's
swig.
finding it hard to swallow.
That's pretty good. I thought you'd be a real mess when you got very far with that.
And it's like a girl, Grandpa.
It's hard to have structure when things are so confusing, isn't it?
Hey, sweetheart.
Hey, Annalise.
Now she's gonna climb on the table. What does she want next?
Make me no, never mind. Climb right up there. Just well get close to your work, hadn't you?
Don't let her fall.
We're establishing
The
a
butter?
dangerous precedent here.
Annalise! Hey, you silly girl.
Get a handful of butter,
Annalise.
see how that goes.
Annalise! Annalise! Oh,